Vanoi muntin le gamtina cheng ku kicha te zo si nihla lam thu so asi som leng chenala ngai khom ki dingin na bon cha win lem na hi che uvi tun tunia dinga ki gong thu so ho anangai khom ki taw hite thu so thumakai Meitei kan ba loop MKL 10 Michael Lamzathang Nungzui mi izat hamti su khot to khot ato nungun mi him sangni le zani le som ko bo ahin khot do ove songpi lamka district sunga zong hi ginchat umlo ta ho zong Lamzathang party a aza ove hibang itola iwa hichi Lamzathang le me hleite to ki ho jing ho hi movet the hi poi Lamka Songpi District, Kangpopi District, Chandel District, Tingnopal District hoa hi jaho hi phata in ki holchil zeble phante ponat a vale hitabang mi ho hi igam sungwa a apachompoi Kohur in Meitei Thingnoi Lamkai Birin Singh Kichip na mando Meitei Birin in Kukite Thagam Ding Agotle Athuse ho Tun BJP Hatze in Kiselzo Zongle Iti Chan Kiselzo Dingham Kuki Chaten Sumil Thehilo Infal Kuki Vengzo Sele Border a Kuki Ho Tamta Ahal Tha Chule Kuki Church Zathumle Somgupwal Ahal Tha Thallo Sanggupwal Abosa Kuki Chanu Chapa Melsita ta Atha Chule Adang Dang ho Birin Meitei Lalsunga Meitei To Ki Ho Chamna Thei Loading MLA Koi Tabang Meitei Government Noi a Soikai Umle Ane Agosi Ta Chapa Ta Chanu Hon Ki Hal Tha Piding Ahi Kuki Te Zong Tabang Hi Ti a Asay Abanle Meitei Nupi Ho Koma Meitei Ingal Azo Phat Lebo Gal Ki Chai Ding Ahi Ti a Asay Voice Lik Le Adang Dang Tun Kisel Hen Lang Sumtha Le Paverzi In Anup Nup Sei Zong Le Phat Khat Le Zel Lut Tho Tho Ding Ahi Kumni Wa Zen Hitan Meitei Lak Somni Wa Le Meitei Government Kuki Gam Alut Zolo Ziwa Azum Manwa Chamna Sim Kisa Ahi Ve Tu Chana Meitei Ta Sante Te Nalai Hoju Sumdu Ahi Ve Meitei Le Kuki Gal Ke Chai To Ka A Kuki Ten Yuti Mu To Ka A Kuki Volunteers Hon Duty Opposing Dew Avela Kuki Volunteers Ho Sumang Ding Sei Po Po Chu Namzo Do A Ki Gelding Ahi Kumni Wa Zen Asun Azana Duty Po Kuki volunteers ho hive ama ho ji a tu chana hi igamu bit ke ya ahi sumdu nam sunga ki ha sa ho je hi poi kuki chanu chapa ho lamkai hangsan nei phat hi tai in pe election ahin kuki sunga phungzo se la a nam ngai lu mi hangsan kuki lamkai ki thlan phat hi tai Meitei Birin in Melseta a Sopi Kuki Chapa Chanu Melseta a Atha Geldo Zingote Pona Ji Helte V1 UT for Kuki Kukilen is the only solution ti a ha sama saphat hitai tupe na hi Kuki mina recognize dalphat hipoi government record a Meitei Kuki naga ahin UT moding iti lew Kuki mina din ding gam imu niule eho sunga imazo si simphat thei ahi wanoi in social media a ipisei le government in zong history nei chu agya sang ahi Kukilen Kuki today Chile zan hi ni ho zong chun chilaya video imu bang hin Birin Thingnoi Lamkai Arambai Tengol Hon Kuki te tha ding tia asai pedu Kuki MLA Soikai Popo Kuki MLA ho Soihin Kai Popo chu Kuki Pumpin na inung ki hal thading na nei na go o na kila api dingo ahi Source from Cedar Hills again Office of the Kuki Liberation Army led Kulon KLAL Government of Kukiland Wings of the Motherland Department of Information and Public City 23 November 2025 Press Communique The lines that bind dividing us the imposition of international borders by the government of India, Bangladesh and Myanmar on the Chin Kuki Mizo people exemplifies a paradigmatic case on territorial demarcation sans indigenous consent. The geopolitical maneuver ever has precipitated a profound disruption of their ancestral lands, thereby contravening the principles enshrined in the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, especially the rights to self-determination and the requirement of free, prior and informed consent regarding matters affecting their lands and governance have been egregiously violated. The ongoing endeavor erect border fencing, particularly along the Indian-Myanmar borders, serves to further exacerbate the extant divisions. This action has deleterious consequences for familiar units, cultural practices, and traditional governance structures. Villages such as Jangobung, Bongmol, Tingnopal, Chonjang, Gangpizang, Jemunnom, Motha, Echmunnom, Howlin Pai, Leizang Pai, and Thangcham, which are held under customary practice and traditional tenure system governed by their chiefs from their immemorial, are now literally divided with parts falling under different national jurisdiction, forcing residents to navigate complete citizenship requirements and border regulations. This division disrupts social cohesion, economic activities, and cultural practices as families and communities are split across borders, moreover potentially contravenes internationally human rights norms, including Article 27 of the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights (ICCPR), which safeguards the right to cultural, and Article 17, which prescribe arbitrary interference with privacy and families. Immediate cessation of border fencing and genuine engagement with the Chin-Kuki Mizo peoples is imperative to protect their rights. Failure to comply will lead to further conflict, instability, and irreparable damage to the legitimacy of this border democracy. Zalai Mangkuki, Secretary, Information and Publicity, give me your blood, I will give you freedom. Phalha ni simsom ni le thum kumsang ni le som ni le nga zanhi ni thla alam ni dan sigi vel la achun tintong battalion defense committee la nga ko na het sa thupon aniki mu chu cycle gam la nga ko na anazam do ikote le dolai thabi la nga hohin cycle lang kalut diu ahi ativin apol te to dolai thabi la nga agidente ovin hiji chun ipi ahung so sei the ahi lo zin tintong battalion hom sunga khozo se eum na chewa ging sa dema divin het sa anale temna ahung kineye SD Information Secretary Tintong Battalion. Bye bye Manipur, welcome to Kukilen. Bye bye Kanglei Park, welcome to Kukilen. YPA General Headquarter to KWHOR Lamko Zang na Dop La Fetch Sopi Paite Hohi Aching Te Uvin Akhang Zong Akhang Tong Le Uvi Kukisunga Dinga Kitil Ho na Te Ahi Akilung Khat Dan Ule Zan Le Namzo Seto Kilung Khat Ta Ahin Khom Ding Tihi Amaho Lung Tup Pen Ahi Amaho Zi Ahi Lam Kasong Pisunga Tribe level a boy na hozong ahung oldom ding ikinem uve YPA a kilung khat ta in a khom ovin mission a say ding in paite population 80% lang pi EBC a zo uve hijihin avet sa chu pathin le gamle nam adinga akita anaw le paite nam pi adinga thingam a apan naw avet sa ahi paite hi thado ku ki le zomi in to kha da hen katinom e ho thado ku ki le Burma a kon hu pemlu zomi kitite to paite te a chan akhan chan hi aki khle zeng e ho le Burma a kon hu pemlu tidim chin zomi kiti ho banga chan hello be set a povi so pi paite te hi in chen lo chen a zong aki support dan dan u khu veton thei ta hi ve YPA hing son hen source from Kuki ta chapa ho 3 Politics hi history le political identity to KITOH bol ngai ahi 1940 zo langa kisim do mizo zo chule zomi mina international politics ibol ule imacha imu lo diu ahi mizo zo politics hi mizoram state sunga dinga bo ahi in mundanga seile le loading ahi chule zomi politics hi niulam ka sunga ding bo ahi Bangladesh Burma le India gam a ho thingthlang mi te kan khom le ki khai khom na nam min chu kuki bo hi hechi kuki min tai lo a min dang dang ki sei ho hi kibung khan na le alen ding ki chu na kinil bo tam na bo so do a hi bu ve bai sa sang hau ki elo umang chau hi te kuki te gam sunga kan ni le drugs business le corruption so mang na ding a chu separate administration mu masat ngai hi separate administration mu na ding a chu kuki ten gal ha bol a bol ding ngai hi gal bol na ding a chu sumle pai ne le cha ngai kit hi sumle pai ne le cha nei na ding a chu kan le le drugs business bol ngai hi amun le apha dung zui a hin kho man ngai hi gale tol nei hi ve sumle pai ne le cha ha sa hi ve ga zo na ding ke le cha a iso cha na diwa kani le le drugs business zong poimo hi tai mi tam ta dinga hinna a hi ang le ke in ibol lo zi in mo phun phun po hi te gamtum ki mo zo ting le kani le le drugs business sumang ding thu sei naw hi te AHI asay phat hinay pui by Sasang Haukip. Presidential candidates for Kuki in Manipur election 2025 biodata and manifestos named Dr. T.S. Haukip, PhD, activist reformist, son of L. Upa Mangzangam, date of birth 31 August 1969, 56 years and 4 months old. Address Tuibong Kopi Veng, Songpi Lamka, PIN 795128. END qualification, postgraduate PhD Political Science, thesis, Ethnicity and Insurgency in Myanmar Burma, a comparative study of the Kuki chain and current insurgency, experience and social activities. Number 1, 1988 to 1989, Founder Secretary KSO St. Mary High School, Unit Songpi Chorchampur. Number 2, 1989 to 1990, President KSO St. Mary High School Unit, Songpi Chorchampur. Number 3, 1989 to 1990, General Secretary KSO HS Block, Songpi Chorchampur. Ali na 1990 to 1991, President KSO HS Block Songpi Chorchampur. Anga na 1991 to 1992, Founder President KSO CC Higher Secondary Unit Infal. Agup na 1992 to 1993, Founder President KSO HR Secretary and College Book Infal. Asigi na 1994 to 1996, General Secretary KSO Chorchampur College Branch. Agit na 1994 to 1997, Founder Secretary Kuki Youth Cultural Team KYCT. Ako na 1997 to 2000, 2 terms Chairman Kuki Youth Cultural KYCT. Asom na 1997 to 2000, Secretary Custom and Cultural Kuki Khangluy Lompi KKL General Headquarter. Asom lakat dyan na 2000 to 2002, General Secretary KSO Chorchampur District. Asom lani dyan na 2003 to 2005, President KSO Chorchampur District. Asom latum dyan na 2004 to 2006, Founder President Thadaw Kuki Student Union TKSU General Headquarter. Asom lali dyan na 2007 to 2009, Vice President Kuki Students Organization General Headquarter. Asom la nga dyan na 2009 to 2013, Founder Chairman Partnership Rural Division Society PRDS. Asom lagup dyan na 2014 to 2025, 3 terms Founder Chairman Kuki Reformation Forum KREF. Asom nasagi dyan na 2017 to 2019, Secretary Legal Affairs Kuki NP Manipur. Asom lagit dyan na 2023 to 2026, World Kuki Zoo Intellectual Council WKZIC. Chile amahi, principal na imita, nam ngay luta ahiin, lekhazong tampi anasodo tay, candidates, Dr. T.S. Haukip, activities reformist, proposer, Mr. T. Baite, convener KREF, first seconder, Mr. Larpo Kipgen, vice chairman KEOC, second seconder, Mr. T.H. Vaipe, WKZIC, president sir candidate for Kuki NP Manipur election 2025, source from Chikimte Ogin.